Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to link your Wise account with your Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to copy your Wise bank account and log into your Payoneer account. Then the next step is to click on the bank account for withdrawal. Once you click on it, it should bring you to a page where you can add accounts. You can proceed to add. You can see here I already have two accounts here. You can proceed to add. Click on the add account, and then you will be brought to a page where you can add your Wise account. You can choose the country of residence you are in. Let me say Canada. Let me assume it's Canada. You can click on it, then you click on the bank account currency to be in Canadian dollar. Then click on next. You can also choose personal or business for that. Once you've clicked on that, you will be brought to a page like this where you can fill in the name of the bank, your full name, your bank code. You can always Google that, your branch number, your account number, and your account type. Once you are done with all of this, once you have correctly filled in the details, click on confirm bank account details and click on next. Then you click on the add bank account. Now the thing is, Payoneer will take some time to verify your account, and if more information is needed, they would ask or require you to submit your bank statements, and you can always get that from Wise or from your actual bank. So all of this is very possible. So let me know what you think about the video below, and I'll see you in the next one.